Hello, my name is Nelly and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at a very interesting wallet, the BRD, the BRD Wallet. This is a mobile wallet, so the setup of this video is going to be slightly different than what you're accustomed to, but not too much different. So I'm going to break down a little bit more information about the wallet, then I'm going to jump into the integration. Today we have mostly the CSV file method. I'll talk about a few other routes that you can go, and then conclusion, how to print out your necessary tax report documentation. And if you have any questions, I'll show you where you can go for support. So the BRD wallet is based out of Zurich, Switzerland. Hopefully I said Zurich right, maybe I didn't. It was founded in 2015. It is one of the few wallets that I've actually seen that offers gifts for buying its token. So there's kind of, I don't know, I guess interesting gifts here. 30% off, 25% off trading fees. There's even an option where you can win a call from the CEO if you buy, I think it's like 100,000 BRD coins, which is really interesting. BRD's popularity in recent years stems from the simplicity and security aspects of their wallet. It has never been hacked, so let's hope it stays that way. Alright, so let's jump into the integration part of this one. As always, we sign into Koinly. We go to the wallet section, and then we click add wallet, and then we're going to type in BRD. And here is the BRD wallet, and you'll see the little logo they have. So let's start with the setup autosync method. So here we have, you can autosync BRD wallet by adding the public keys and addresses for your coins to Koinly. For Ethereum and any ETH tokens, click on the blockchain button below, find and select Ethereum on the following page, enter your Ethereum public address, save. Wait a few minutes for Koinly to import all your Ethereum and ERC20 tokens or transactions, and that's it. So let's do that. Click on Connect Blockchain. We go to Ethereum, and we want to give it a name, something that we're going to remember. So Ethereum ETH tokens BRD, and then the public address. I will show you where to get that from the BRD app. So if you're signed in on your homepage, you have all the different cryptocurrencies you're dealing with. As you can see on mine, there are some different amounts that I haven't invested in different currencies. So if we go to the Ethereum one and we click the receive button, we will get the address. So find a way to copy and paste this address into Koinly. Okay, so I've done that. I've copied and pasted. I'm going to click import. I don't have any, Ethereum on this wallet, so you won't see any transactions for this. Ethereum's not cheap nowadays. But anyways, let's go back into add wallets. We're going to type in BRD, BRD wallet, setup autosync. Now, for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Dash, Litecoin, BSW. So find the XPub, YPub, or ZPub keys for each of your coins on the BRD wallet. Click on the Connect Blockchain button below. Create separate wallets for each of your coins. Enter the keys you found in step 1. So the thing with this one is that it's not very easy, or that I'm aware of, it's easy to find these XPub keys on the BRD exchange, but I've actually made a video about this before, so I will leave that in the comments below to a timestamp, and how to basically get these XPub keys, YPub, ZPub keys from the recovery phrase. Whoops, that's the wrong one. So this is the video exporting XPub from other wallets, and I'll also include this article, exporting XPub from BRD, Jax, and other wallets. I don't really want to repeat myself, and this is kind of a lengthier video, but I will also leave a timestamp exactly to where you need to find these XPub, YPub, ZPub keys. And also in the future, I think I'll do a live demonstration, or a much more thorough demonstration of actually how to do this. But for that part, I will leave in the description down below. And lastly, for all other coins, click on Connect Blockchain button below, find your coin in the list, enter the public address, and save. If you can't find your coin, it means Koinly cannot autosync transactions for it yet. Let us know through live chat so we can add support. And I'll leave links to that down below. But let's go back for a second and look at the other option, which I think is a much more viable route for most people, which is to import from file. Just keep in mind here that if you're importing from file, you do not need to set up autosync for other coins. So let's say you're setting up autosync for Ethereum, and you also want to do a CSV file. So if you want to do that route, you're gonna have to remove all the Ethereum transactions in your CSV file. So it's probably more advisable. It's easier to just go with the CSV file. But you know, if you want to go the other way, I'll leave that up to you. I'm just giving you a fair bit of warning advice, I guess. So import from file. We're gonna go back into our BRD wallet. We're gonna go to menu, and at the very bottom you'll see it says export transaction history to CSV. So you're gonna do that, click continue, and it'll generate this necessary document for you. Okay, so once this document is, you know, made, you can find a way to get it to your computer or find a way to get this into Koinly somehow. I already have this file. I will now drag and drop it. I have, you know, not too many transactions on there, nothing, you know, crazy. And then I'm gonna click import, and hopefully it'll take a few minutes. I don't think I have many transactions. Yeah, 6 transactions. We're gonna go back into our wallet section, and as you can see, these transactions have started to appear, the different currencies I deal with and whatnot. Okay, moving along into the next best part, which is, you know, Koinly and how easily it'll generate the necessary documentation. You can obviously review your transactions if you like here, or going into the transactions tab. But going into you know, our tax reports, you'll see this little warning from me. You won't have this. This is just basically saying, hey, you don't have any Ethereum. Why do you have an Ethereum wallet? And that's a fair question. I can delete that Ethereum wallet. Going back into this, you'll get a, you know, a summary of your transactions, your deposit, your trades, all that good stuff. And then you can close that. At the very bottom, depending on where you're located, you will get the necessary tax document. You can select it from this list down below and select the plan that best fits your budget, your amount of transactions that you've done with your crypto exchanges. And as always, we have reports for many different countries. For the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have the UK HMRC capital gain summary, reports for Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, and then lastly for Australia, Canada, Germany, and other countries, we have the complete tax report. And if you have an accountant, feel free, you know, to give them this tax report or even invite them to Koinly. We're working on more videos for accountants and how to set up your accountancy firm with Koinly. And then lastly, this is very situational depending on where you live and what, you know, tax laws are like. If you have the ability in your country, you can have this report as a tax deduction. It is a service that helps you with your taxes, so you might be able to get some, you know, tax deduction benefits because of that. All right, so that brings us to the finale of this video. As I mentioned earlier, I will leave this article and the video down below if you're interested in getting your XPubs from, you know, places that have kind of very tricky systems to get these keys, these XPub keys and YPub, ZPub keys. So that's down below. As always, you have the Koinly Help Center where you have countless articles, you know, everything from getting started with Koinly to more complex questions related to cryptocurrency taxes. And then we have a forum section where you can talk to our team or other members of our community. And then lastly, if you like, you can send us a message for more one-on-one support. But if you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.